What's going on, and welcome everyone. Whoa, I am super excited. We're back at my absolute favorite place. It's been closed down for a little while, under construction, but we're back and it's beautiful. Look everybody, it's the one of the original honey holes. We got a few of them now, but the waterfall, they redid everything, fixed it all up here, making a little dam, making it a little bit better. So I'm excited to get back out here and see what all we can find. We got a little area we can walk on over there now, hopefully stay away from the gators. So I'm really excited to get this barbarian from Magnetar out here. Before we do that, I gotta give a super shout out and thank you to the newest member of the Magnet Junkie family, and that's Winter's Man DM. Thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate the extra support. It means a lot. And with you, that puts us at 15. We're on our way to 20, and when we get there, we're gonna do a giveaway. So let's not waste too much time and get this magnet in the water, see what else is hiding down below. You guys need any more information, discounts, stuff like that, just check out the description. Now let's do this. Thanks, guys. All right, folks, let's traverse our way over here. Do a little slipper. Yep, little slipper. That's all right. Ooh, really slippery. Usually can't really access this area except for when I came on the kayak. All right, let's get over here and see what we can find. Well, that's tricky. All right, let's just drop in right here. I don't know if we got rocks, can't really tell. I don't know. Just happy to be back at this spot. We got some junk on the first one. Just a quick dip right there. And what that little shiny piece is, a couple pieces of scrap. I love this spot. It's just absolutely beautiful here. Glad they cleaned it up. I just hope they're gonna plan on turning it. It used to be a nature preserve and walkway through here. I really wish the city would get back on that. Something sticking off the bottom there. That's just a chunk of steel. All right, and a nail. A couple little pieces. What's that? Looks like a knife. It's part of a saw blade. Looks like, yeah, part of a sawzall there. Oh yeah. Oh, come out of there then. Got something. Ooh, got a big old bracket on that one. Heck yeah. Ooh, that thing's on there. Oh yeah, nice big old bracket. Okay, that landed on something. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, thanks, barbarian. Holy cow. Oh, this spot is nuts. Now, I don't know if that's part of the old barrier they had here, or originally from that little contraption over there, there used to be a railroad that ran across here. Mark and Chris know, they've been here before. Oh, great. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's slightly heavy. Just a little heavy. Come on out of there. What's that crumpled up piece? Oh, woo! Lost part of it. Part of the old construction here. Gosh, this place. All right, got a big old pipe on that one. My goodness. Man, big old steel pipe. More scrap money right there. I heard that. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Come here. Get out of that water. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about. So glad I got the trailer. Those weren't even connected. Did they just get magnetized? Because that's pretty cool right there. The magnetized them. Oh, that's good scrap money right there. Oh. God, why is everything gotta be so heavy? All right, it's another, man. Something just fell off of it. Another one. Now we're talking. All right, let's dip along this side. Oh, no, don't fall in. Thank you. Huh. There's some blue flake on that one. I don't know what that's from. It's like part of a sinker, a bunch of other junk. That little guy on there. Little pole. There's actually some nails. Little brad nails there. I think that's what brad nails. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, that's not a tree limb. No, that is not a tree limb. Oh, I got a cord wrapped around something that looks like maybe part of a bicycle. Okay, I was wrong, as usual. There's some kind of cord. And what is this contraption? Look at this thing. It's got like a little pulley. Let's get you up here. What is this thing? That's on wheels right there. What is that contraption? That is interesting. I wonder if that's something from the old railway. That's super neat. Huh. Oh, no. Oh, what? Oh, okay. This way. my workout in today. It's this guy. All right, those two are connected. They're welded together. And that's heavy too. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh. Guys, what? What is that? That's nifty. Let's see. Got the big old bolt there. Part of another little pipe. Oh, good. Okay, that does not want to come off. Whew. Whatever it is, it's got a hold of my magnet. Oh, and it is heavy. Wow. What is that? I wonder if there'll be any markings on it. That's got to be something from the old railway. I can't get it. Okay, we got it. My God, that thing was on there. Wow. I mean, it's solid. This, I wonder, I don't know, is that like a little track for a cart or, shoot, I don't know, but that's really cool. Probably turn that into something right there. Look at this, I already took a couple over there. I'm out of breath. We got this guy, we got the bucket. See all that over there? See, pulling all this out for the manatees, cleaning up the water. Anybody notice anything about this sign? No boating, no swimming, no wading. It doesn't say no fishing. Back to work. Moving all this stuff over here already. It's very slippery. You can see my feet prints coming through the moss on this. Woo! Whee! Still got that stuff too. There's something on there. What's that? Look at what's left of a hanger, maybe. Yeah, part of a hanger. Thank you. That'll fit in the bucket. Oh, all right. Bottle cap of some kind there. Oh, it looks like I forget what that is. It's a dog. It's a pit bull. We got a few nails and some screws on there too. There's more of that blue stuff. I wonder what that's from. I don't know. Part of a little fishing jig. I think the hook must be in it. Another bent up nail. Oh. You coming? Come out of the water then. Ooh, what's it? Oh, ooh. Oh yeah. Okay. All right, check that. We magnetized the nail on the end of the hammer there. Give me that. Ooh, that is nice right there. Warning, wear safety gloves. Well, luckily I am. Oh, there we go. Oh, the bottom poked through a little bit. USA, I think it says Easting. 6.46, 5.535 patent. That's a keeper. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got. Or another hanger. What's all these hangers doing here? All bent up all weird like that. All right, my UK folks, got the old chaff can there. Bunch of little scrap scribblies. Whatever that little twisted up guy is, we'll take it off. Is that another? I think there's another one on there. Yep. Got another one. Little nitrous can. Whatever that guy is. Oh. All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna do it for this trip. I love being back here, but it has been a couple hours. It is super hot. I've realized that I left my extra batteries at home. I've already made 2 trips to the car. We still got all this to haul up there, plus these 2 that are super heavy. We got a bunch of weight out of the water today, and I absolutely love this spot. I love cleaning it up too. So with that being said, once again, I appreciate each and every single one of you as always. And everybody remember, get up, get out, go find yourself, and we'll see you all in the next episode. Peace out, everyone.